Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious smoothie juice. To begin, gather your chosen fruits and vegetables, ensuring they are fresh or frozen for optimal taste and texture. Next, select a suitable liquid base, such as water, milk, or a preferred juice, to achieve the desired consistency. Finally, consider adding a protein source like yogurt or protein powder for an extra nutritional boost. When selecting ingredients, prioritize ripe fruits like bananas, berries, or mangoes for natural sweetness. Don't forget to incorporate leafy greens such as spinach or kale to boost your nutrient intake. For your liquid base, aim for about 1 cup per serving. You can also enhance your smoothie with healthy fats from ingredients like avocado or chia seeds. For the best blending results, always add your liquid first. This helps the blades move freely. Next, layer in softer ingredients, followed by harder items like ice or frozen fruit. Begin blending on a low speed to break down ingredients, then gradually increase to high. Continue blending for 1 to 2 minutes until your smoothie is completely smooth. Feel free to customize your smoothie to your liking. You can adjust the sweetness using natural options like honey, maple syrup, or dates. For a colder, thicker consistency, simply add more ice. Don't hesitate to experiment with spices such as cinnamon or ginger for an extra flavor kick. If you have any leftover smoothie, store it in an airtight container for up to 1 day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.